Crafty Kids TV.
Making slime from your comments. Want a shout out? Subscribe and comment down below. Number 1. By No asks if foam soap works. So let's give it a try. Add in half a cup of glue. Now add in 1 tablespoon of foam soap. This will help give the slime a airy light texture. I added in some blue glitter to make it pretty. Next, add half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm pretty sure I added a bit too much, but that's okay. The baking soda will help thicken the slime. Give that a really good mix up. Now the last step is to add in your saline solution. Add a few drops at a time and keep mixing until the slime mixture starts to come away from the bowl. It's looking pretty good, so I'm going to take it out and mix it again with my hands. Now you've made fluffy slime without shaving foam.
Yummy!
Number 2. OctoCal says, can you make a slime using glue stick and slime activator? She says use one hand to mix the glue stick, but I'm sure both hands are gonna work. It feels wrong to do that, but there you go. That's the whole stick. Now let's mix it up for 1 minute. I think this part actually took longer than a minute. Now to make it pretty, I'm adding in some blue food coloring. Make sure not to add too much, otherwise it'll be a darker color. Mix the food coloring in until all of the glue is blue. It took longer than expected, so I'm just gonna speed it up a little bit for you here. Now the food coloring is pretty much all mixed in. We're adding some of our slime activator in now and mixing again for another 10 or so minutes. It's really not turning into a slime consistency at all, so I'm putting it into this container and letting it sit for a bit. Let me know what I should have done differently if you know that this recipe works. Number 3. Anna Banana asks if you can make slime with no activator, shaving foam and dish soap. I don't feel too confident about this recipe, but let's try it anyway. I added about half of the dish soap and half of the shaving foam into a container. Sorry the camera view is not the best, but bear with me. Although it's light and fluffy, it's not slime at all, so I added some saline solution. That slime recipe definitely doesn't work. Number 4. Trying to make new things said, did you know I asked for no glue slime recipe? So I actually went to the shop to find the thickest clear shampoo I could. I couldn't find the viral Pantene shampoo that everyone else is using, but I'm sure this one's gonna work. So I mixed the shampoo for about a minute or 2 minutes to make sure that all these air bubbles started filling up into the mixture. Here's a close-up view of what the shampoo mixture starts to look like, and when it's looking like that, you're about halfway there. Keep mixing for another minute. Now the mixture is all cloudy, you can pop the lid on and let's put it in the fridge. I named it on the top so I wouldn't forget what I used for this mixture. I left it in the fridge for about 24 hours, but the longer the better. I'm really excited as it's looking really thick and a lot like slime. Let's open her up and see if it worked. She's thick and she's definitely looking like slime. Let's put the slime mixture on the table and see if we can get some nice slime ASMR. I'm counting that one as the easiest clear slime recipe ever. Let me know if you try this slime recipe yourself. Thanks for watching.